Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you why septic tanks smell. Now, it's a strange question, but you'd probably think, well, a septic tank is going to smell anyway, isn't it? I mean, nasty, horrible, pooey-wee stuff going there. Well, believe it or not, a healthy septic tank never, ever smells. Never smells. I've had my head in many septic tanks over the last 20 years. And none of them smell, but I'm going to show you why a septic tank smells, right? And it may surprise you as to why. So let's get straight into this. So why do septic tanks smell? All right, so you know how a septic tank works. So you flush your loo, you let out the wastewater from the sink, you've got your dishwasher, your washing machine going, and all the wastewater from your property, from the bath, the shower, the bidets, all right, makes its way from your property into the septic tank. There you go. There it is. So your septic tank here is full up with wastewater, and the wastewater, when it reaches a certain height, goes to the soakaway. So that's basically how a septic tank works, right? So why do septic tanks stink? Noticeably, septic tanks tend to smell more in the summer. Because obviously, you know, with the heat and whatever, but nevertheless though, 50% of septic tanks do smell all the year round. Well, I'm going to show you now why they smell. Now, normally in a healthy septic tank, the septic tank is full of bacteria and microbes, right? And these bacteria and microbes break down and eat and digest all the horrible, smelly, toxic, dirty stuff. They break it all down. They clean your septic tank. These microbes clean and break everything down, right? But septic tanks have got one massive enemy. Do you know what that enemy is called? It's called cleaning products. Yes, cleaning products. Now, if you look at the back of any of these cleaning products, right, whether it's Domestos bleach, it can be any bleach. I'm just giving you a brand name there, so I'm not particularly singling Domestos out. Could be any well-known brand of bleach. If you look on the back, you'll see skull and crossbones or a big X or danger. If swallowed, it can cause death. You know, so if you look back on your toilet cleaning products, on your, as I said, your bleach products, anything to do with cleaning products, you'll find that they've got different kind of sulfuric acids and other kind of toxins in that if humans drank or ingested to a certain degree, it would kill them. So now you imagine, right, you're squirting bleach and cleaning products, putting them down your sink, putting them down your toilet every single day. Imagine this was a stomach. Imagine that's your stomach or my stomach, right? And with all the washing machine powder, all the soap, all the dishwashing chemicals, all that is going into this septic tank that we call a stomach. And it overloads it with these cleaning products that are designed to kill bacteria. And so what happens is they kill all the good bacteria in there. It kills your septic tank. In fact, it does what the cleaning products say. It kills 99% of germs. So the cleaning products will kill all the good bacteria in your septic tank. In fact, we could even put like a skull and crossbones on that, because that's exactly what they do. All right, so it may as well be skull and crossbones. So that is what it does to your septic tank. The result is, because there's no good bacteria in this septic tank anymore, what happens is putrid smells then rise up from the septic tank. They can come up your drains into your kitchen. They can come up from the soakaway. And so once you start smelling smells around your septic tank and your soakaway, it's basically your septic tank is saying, I'm dead, I'm had enough, I can't take any more of these cleaning products anymore. So the question is, though, I mean, you may be saying now, well, hold on, we need cleaning products to keep my family safe from germs and protect my family, you know, from all the horrible things that are lurking, you know, in the toilet and the bath and the shower and stuff like that. And that's fair enough. So my advice to you, my tip of the day, is to use products like Ecova. They're called septic tank friendly cleaning products because they, instead of containing horrible toxic chemicals, they are created using plant-based amino acids and stuff like that. So they're gentle and they're kind to your septic tank. Instead of killing it, right, they actually keep it alive and work with it. It's like a good marriage. It complements all the bacteria in your septic tank. So there you go. So if you want to know why your septic tank smells, it's because septic tanks have one common enemy: cleaning products.